Hello guys. Ito yung Oakley Juliet natin na binta guys. Yan guys, napakagandang Oakley Juliet Plasma. Ice Polarized. Frame. In mint condition guys. Newly tuned. Newly nose bridge tightened. And lenses guys. 9/10. Unnoticeable imperfection. Ayun. Minor hairlines. And then rubbers 910. Super tight nose bridge. Yan guys, oh. Thank you so much to you, sir, from South Carolina, USA. And guys, ship na natin. Ito yung na sold natin guys. Papuntang South Carolina. Ganito lang guys, oh. Goods yan guys. Okay guys, ihatid natin to sa Canada Post para ma-ship na natin. Let's go. Dito na tayo sa Canada Post. Si-ship na natin to.